What's up, casters, reloaders, firearm enthusiasts? Thanks for joining. Today is going to be the official video for the long range pistol challenge. It is the Reloaders Network long range pistol can challenge. There's already been a few submissions, but this will be the official video, basically the rules. Very simple. I'm going to take a regular soda can, beverage can, and I would like for those who are trying to putting a entry in to go ahead and cover up the can, make it suitable for advertisement. Other than that, very simple rules. We're going to play by the honor system. We're going to play this by the honor system. You're going to go ahead and set up your beverage can at the longest range you possibly can shoot. Go ahead and make your shots. You can zero out as much as you want on another target, but as soon as you start taking your first initial attempts, that counts down your 10 shots. So 10 shots is all you got, starting from your first attempt on your pistol. And as far as the pistol, we're going to use regular sights. For me today, I'm using a regular P226. Combat sights, you can put target sights, but of course no scopes. Cheaters. I'm just kidding. Anyways, yeah, just regular combat sights. You can put target sights, whatever. You know, a basic sight, no red dot, whatever. Just a regular pistol, standing, shooting at your furthest range, trying to hit a soda can, beer can, whatnot. So let's go ahead. Let me make my attempt. I am set up today at 110 yards. I'm shooting a 9mm P226. See if I can hit the soda can. Like I said, there's already been a few submissions, so let's see if I can top that out. Be right back. So I apologize for the wind, but my target is set up on top of my IPSC at 110 yards. All right, so I got my West Desert shooter hat on for long range. This is his secret here, and we're going to go ahead and try this out. I'm going to shoot the IPSC target first. Alright, so 10 more shots. More shots, 110 yards. I got it. Yeehaw. Let's go check it out. All right. See where I hit it. This time I'm able to show the can. Last time I thought I hit the record button on my rifle challenge. I didn't. Wow, I just grazed it. Cool, check that out. So I was sitting up just like this and just hit it off the side. Really cool. I was, again, 110 yards. This is a S8 at 8 zoom. and a picture of my GPS. Fortunately, I don't have my rangefinder. Mine broke, so I'll be getting that in the future. And I was trying to zero out to see where the hold using my target, so those are my shots there earlier. Not bad. If anybody says cast lead bullets don't shoot, that is incorrect. Cast lead bullets work really good, especially for pistol cartridges. They seem to be a lot more accurate from my experience. See, I told you, it's all in the hat. You want to shoot long range and hit a target, you got to get a West Desert Shooter hat. If you want to go ahead and do this challenge, I'm going to put a link in the comment below and also the description of this video on the Reloaders Network website, where you could submit your entry and go ahead and write your description in there. Again, it'll be on the Reloaders Network. This is the Reloaders Network Long Range Pistol Can Challenge. So I hope to see you guys' see your entries. Be interesting to see what you guys do. And I look forward to watching you guys' video. The winner will receive a plaque, kind of bragging rights, and I'll also buy you guys a box of bullets of the caliber you're shooting. So let's make this a fun, respectable challenge, and I hope to see you guys' entries. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Again, have fun. And